नमस्कार। विश्वधर्मी प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर विश्वनाथ कराड सर की कर्मभूमि MIT विद्यापीठ, MIT वर्ल्ड पीस यूनिवर्सिटी के इस पुणे प्रांगण में मैं प्रसाद खुरवे आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। पिछले 14 वर्षों से डॉक्टर राहुल विश्वनाथ कराड सर की परिकल्पना से MIT स्कूल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट द्वारा एशिया की सबसे बड़ी भारतीय छात्र संसद का सफल आयोजन किया जा रहा है। यह मंच देश भर के युवाओं और छात्रों को राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर एक सशक्त और प्रभावी मंच प्रदान करता है। तो चलिए विचारों के साथ, संवाद के साथ और राष्ट्र निर्माण के संकल्प के साथ इस लोकतंत्र की यात्रा की शुरुआत करते हैं। इस वर्ष से MIT वर्ल्ड पीस यूनिवर्सिटी के पृथ्वी ग्लोब से चाणक्य बिल्डिंग तक पैवेलियन की एक नई संकल्पना का आरंभ होने जा रहा है। देश को स्वतंत्रता मिले 75 वर्ष पूर्ण होने के अवसर पर इन 75 वर्षों की प्रगति का आलेख और समग्र समीक्षा इन प्रदर्शनी के माध्यम से प्रस्तुत की जाएगी। विश्वविद्यालय के विभिन्न स्कूलों और विभागों के माध्यम से यह प्रदर्शनी प्रदर्शित की जाएगी। तो चलिए इन पंडालों में एक चक्कर लगा के आते हैं।
भारतीय छात्र संसद के पेंडॉल थीम में अभी हम आए हैं डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग के पंडाल में, और इस पंडाल में हम देखेंगे कि देश की जो टेक्नोलॉजी है इसका इवोल्यूशन कैसे हुआ है। हमारे साथ ये सारे छात्र, मेरे दोस्त और मैम भी खड़ी है, तो अभी हम जान लेंगे कि ये इस पंडाल की थीम क्या है।
Prapti Ruparelia by first year BTech. Welcome to the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Here's the evolution after independence. So our first model is power generation. When there was the green revolution, when there was the shortage of food and all, the idea of green revolution was there. So to extend the green revolution, the major part was to generate the electricity. So after spinning the wheel like this, the electricity is generating. Moving towards the drone.
My name is Anay Kumar Joshi and I'm a final year student from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Okay, so coming to leadership, let me tell you that leadership has the major three dynamics. When we talk about leadership, it is all dynamics, and the three dynamics of leadership can be awareness, action and communication, and a drone simply resembles all three. That is action, awareness and communication. Okay, like by the visual abilities of the drone, we can take things into action. We can use this as a communication in the defense sector as well, and the awareness, everything. And moving on to the governance.
I am Nishisha from second year of from Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So as we know, after Green Revolution, one thing which happened in favor of India was that India became an agricultural country. As we know that major population of India depends on farming, there are still some issues which are faced by the farmers, like unpredictable weather, lack of water resources, lack of data. So this is when our rover and our robotic arm comes to the rescue. Our robotic arm collects all the data from the soil, senses, plans and insightful planning and forwards it to the farmer with a solution. So with this we can relate it to the governance, just like how we as Indian citizens collect our inputs and give it to the government to work on it, and this likewise the government solves our data.
My name is Jia Arora from first year from Department of Electronics and Electrical Engineering. So I will just explain the main working of our project. This is a robotic arm. It has 6 joints and is 270-degree movable. And this is a rover that we have made in home by ourselves within this week. So the robotic arm can lift up to 300 to 400 grams right now, but it has been designed so that it tests the soil moisture, sends the signal over to the rover, and the rover then gets the signal to move to the target destination and provide water. It also has a live streaming camera that is showing live stream on this at the moment, and it also uses machine learning algorithms so that we can analyze our we can analyze real time what is the problem in agriculture and plants and in the soil as well.
I'm Omkar Sai from second year electronics. The major problem during Green Revolution was electricity, and at that time India was wholly and solely dependent on coal. But now in today's world also India is majorly dependent on coal. So due to that, Indian government is taking active participation in summits such happening in Brazil and other European countries, and have launched many schemes such as National Solar Scheme and Rooftop Solar Subsidy Scheme. So with reference to that, we have made a model which consists of solar panel which converts light energy into electrical energy. Simultaneously a turbine works which recharges the battery which is used in the rover for working. As you can see the working, it sets itself in the direction of the sunlight, and its inspiration is taken from sunflower.
Hi, myself Niyati Pitwa from second year Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So, as you have seen from the very start to the very end, the growth and the evolution of electronics, here are the 5 different eras. So, era 1, that is generation of electricity. So, how we have seen in the model, how we convert mechanical energy to electrical energy with the help of spin wheel. So, and then we move on to era 2. So era 2 is electrical communication, how a transmitter transmits the signal and the receiver receives the signal using the evolution from generating electricity to communication. To we move forward to era 3, which is autonomous defense. So the drone and the satellite communication comes under autonomous defense. The drone is also used for the defense technologies right now, and it is a very advanced technology used in Indian defense as well as world defense. So era 4, which is the satellite model, which is used for global connectivity and getting data, giving data as well as collecting data for our own well-being. Just like we used data from the satellite to grid map rover and everything. And then lastly era 5, which is agriculture systems. So agriculture system, as we see how we have used agriculture and we help farmers automate using AI, soil moisture sensors and water pump technology using the rover. So these are the 5 eras which we have shown on the stall, evolving from the very start of independence to right now, how we use energy. And how we see everything is interconnected to each other. Every department of government is also interconnected to each other. So if one department falls, nothing can be worked properly, and nothing is possible without innovation. So innovation is very important.
From sparks to smart systems. The evolution of electronics. From sparks to smart systems. The evolution